What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about credit card for beginners. So kapag baguhan ka pa lang sa credit card, wala ka pang credit card, balak mong kumuha ng credit card, ano nga ba yung mga dapat mong isaalang-alang, ano yung dapat mong tandaan kapag first time mo sa credit card world. At saka, i-share ko rin sa inyo guys kung paano mag-apply para sa iyong first ever credit card. Pero bago yun, nais mo na kitang imitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share na mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So, kapag baguhan ka pa lang sa credit card, guys, may mga dapat kang isalang-alang, of course. Pagdating sa annual fee, at saka kung paano nga ba mapangalagaan yung credit card mo, ano yung dapat mong gawin para ma-maintain mo yung, or para ma-build mo yung best credit score or credit history. Kasi habang tayo ay umuutang sa bangko, nagkakaroon tayo ng good record kapag tayo ay good payer. Pero magkakaroon naman tayo ng bad record of course kapag tayo ay bad payer. Hindi natin inaalala yung due dates natin, nagkakaroon tayo ng missed sa payments natin, nagkakaroon ng lapses, kaya magkakaroon tayo ng bad record sa credit history natin. So as you can see guys, ayan, for beginners in the Philippines, a secured credit card or a no annual fee entry level card are typically the best options to start building a credit history. The key is to use the card responsibly by making on-time full payments to avoid interest and fees. So sinasabi dito guys is a secured credit card. So since wala ka pang record, since baguhan ka pa lang talaga, wala ka pang kumbaga good record sa CIC, which is ibig sabihin Credit Information Corporation. So, doon kasi lahat ng records natin, guys. Kapag umuutang tayo, na-submit ni bank, yung reports, good payer ka, so magre-reflect doon. Magkakaroon ka ng good credit history. So, ngayon nakalagay dito is, a secured credit card is a good starting pack, kumbaga. Parang starting kit, starting feature, kumbaga, starting point. Since wala ka pang record tulad ng sabi ko, so wala kang employer, wala ka pang trabaho, something ganyan. So much better guys to go for secured credit card. So ano nga ba yung secured credit card guys? It seems like you are going to open an account sa isang bangko like BPI, BDO, S2S, China Bank, or PNB, Metrobank, ganyan. Mag-deposit kayo ng pera, tapos i-hold yun for a secured credit card. Ganon siya. May i-deposit kayong pera. So, kung tatanungin nyo guys kung anong mangyayari sa tinideposit ninyong pera, nandun lang yon. Tapos, after a year, after second year, kung na-build na ninyo yung credit history ninyo, pwede na kayong mag-request for unholding that amount na dineposit ninyo. Pwede niyo magamit. Tapos, yung credit card ninyo is makakonvert na siya from secured credit card to regular credit card. Diba? So, magantay lang kayo ng certain period of time. Kasi, i-build pa ninyo yung history. Kumbaga, kukunin nyo pa yung tiwala ni bangko. Tapos as you can see here is no annual fee entry level. So may mga credit cards kasi guys na no annual fee. As is na siya, pagka-apply ninyo, pagkatating sa inyo, no annual fee na siya. Kasi pag sinabing credit card guys, it comes with membership fee every year. From the word itself, annual. So ibig sabihin, every year. So to avoid that, you should find credit card na walang annual fee for life. Sa Metrobank, meron sila yung M-Free Mastercard. Si BDO, sad to say, wala silang no annual fee. Si BPI, may spending requirement para maging no annual fee yung credit card ninyo. Si Security Bank, meron silang as-is na no annual fee. Si S2S, si China Bank, si PNB. Yun yung alam ko na may mga ino-offer na mga no annual fee for life na credit card. At saka may iba pa. Try to explore, guys. Yun lang kasi yung alam ko. Kasi alam ko na ako may alam na hindi nyo alam at kayo din may alam na hindi ko alam. Ganon. So, ito. Types of credit cards for beginners. Secured credit cards, tulad ng sabi ko kanina. These are the easiest to get because they require a cash deposit. Tulad ng sabi ko, ipapahold yung cash deposit as collateral, which generally becomes your credit limit. Example, 25,000 yung deposit. So, nag-deposit kayo ng 25,000, tapos pinahold ninyo. Yields a credit limit about 80% to 100% of that amount. This minimizes risk for the bank and this ideal for those with no credit history with responsible use. So, ito guys, parang since wala kayong record, wala kayong magandang credit history, parang naghahanap si bangko ng assurance which is dinadaan nila sa savings account na kung saan you hold yung certain amount. Tulad dito sa example is 25,000. Tapos yung maging credit limit nyo guys is 80%. So kung magkano yung 25,000, yung magkano yung 80% ng 25,000, yun yung maging credit limit to 100%. Depende siya sa bangko. Which is, they can be often converted to an unsecured card later. Unsecured. So, ibig sabihin, wala nang holdout amount or collateral. Which means, pwede nyo i-request na i-left or tanggalin yung holdout amount ninyo para ma-withdraw ninyo yung pera ninyo since nakapag-build na kayo ng better credit history with the bank or better relationship with that bank. And you'll get your deposit back upon account closure or upgrade. So kapag naging converted na yung secured credit card nyo into unsecured credit card, sa makukuha ninyo yung laman or dineposit ninyong pera. So ito guys, unsecured regular credit cards. Some entry-level unsecured cards are available for beginners and may offer benefits like no annual fees for life or NAFFL. So parang nababasa nyo na siguro tong NAFFL guys sa mga credit cards. Like for example, Metrobank NAFFL. So ibig sabihin is no annual fee for life. Or cashback. Banks often prefer you to have an existing savings or payroll account with them before approving an unsecured card. So, kailangan mo na guys mag-open kayo ng savings account kasi minsan, tulad dito unsecured card, ibig sabihin nag-i-initiate sila. Ito yung sinasabing initiated credit card or bank-initiated credit card. Kapag may savings account kayo sa kanila, tapos maganda yung cash flow, nagagamit ninyo yung tama, may monthly deposit, something ganyan, hindi nawawalan ng laman, at nakikita nila yung cash flow is stable, magpapadala sila ng kusa. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-apply, papadalhan ka na lang ng credit card. Magugulat ka na lang may dumating sa bahay ninyo. So guys, let's talk about key practices for responsible use. Use a credit card wisely is crucial for building a positive credit history and avoiding debt. So, ito guys, pinakailangan to crucial, kumbaga, pinaka-importante para ma-build niyo yung positive credit history, kailangan yung ayusin or maging responsable kayo sa paggamit ng credit card ninyo. Ito yung unang tips. Pay your balance in full. The most important rule is to pay your full statement every month before due date to avoid interest charges. So in every month, like for example, after ng cut-off, iipunin lahat kung magkano yung nagastos mo. Tapos papasok yan ngayon sa statement balance, which is yun yung kailangan mong bayaran to avoid other charges. Kasi kapag binayaran nyo lang yung minimum amount due, yung natira doon sa statement balance, magkakaroon ng interest, which is 3%. At the same time, you are building your credit history. So ngayon, you have to pay it off. Bayaran nyo ng buo para makuha nyo talaga yung tiwala ni bangko. Then ngayon, let's talk about how to apply secured credit card or paano nga ba mag-apply kapag baguhan ka pa lang sa credit card. Una is check eligibility, ensure you meet basic requirements like age, usually 18 or 21 plus years old, and have a source of income of course for unsecured card kasi hanapan kayo ng proof of income. Gather documents, prepare government-issued IDs and proof of income such as recent payslips, certificate of employment, COE, and income tax return. Then pangatlo is apply via primary bank. Applying at the bank where you already have a savings account or payroll account can increase your approval chances due to an existing banking relationship. So kung saan kayo may savings account, doon kayo mag-apply since may record kayo doon. Then pang-apat is compare options. Research different card options and banks, official websites or comparison platforms to find one that best fits your needs, considering fees, interest rates, and any potential rewards. Ganun yung dapat yung tandaan guys if ever na plano nyo kumuha ng first ever credit card ninyo. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!